Okay. I guess I wasn't recording any of that. So I'm gonna start again. Um, I updated and went to sleep last night, and I wake up and like this thing's down here. Like I'll turn it back on, but it's like down here. It just showed up. Like I wanted it or something. Like this Cortana thing over here that I really don't want. But I don't want this. I don't want this sitting here. I don't want it telling me. I don't care. So you just right click it. And I certainly I don't care about Selma Hayek's boobs. IDGAF. I really fucking don't. Okay? Don't give a fuck about Selma Hayek. Don't ever gonna meet Selma Hayek. She ain't giving me no fucking money. She ain't paying my fucking bills. Don't fucking care. Okay? This isn't even my city. I keep telling you I don't live in South fucking Glens Falls, but yet, where it always is. South Glens Falls. Guess who lives in South Glens Falls? Nobody. Okay? Nobody lives in South Glens Falls. More people live in Hudson Falls. More people live in Fort fucking Edward. Show me Fort Edward weather. Stupid. So turn it off. Right click. News and interest. Turn off. Bye bye. Fuck you, Microsoft. Stupid motherfuckers. Don't just jack shit on me.